Are you okay, Nico?
I'm totally fine, yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh gosh, didn't sound like that. So
Guys. Check your phones. Check your phones right now.
What is his problem again?
Check your phones. Okay, just read for a second. It's going to be like winter trip.
What is this do?
So basically what's happening is, you know how we talked with the boys like 2-3 weeks ago, how they were like, oh, we should maybe do a winter trip or something?
Yeah.
They took it a bit too serious. They set a budget for everyone for 2,000 euros to buy an old BMW, preferably an E46.
Yep.
In that 2,000 euros is a budget as in purchasing the car.
Okay.
And tuning the car and modifying the car.
With mods.
With mods, 2K.
That's like one suspension and that's it.
Literally, yeah.
But so, it's a shitbox, right?
It is a shitbox, yeah. Basically, what's going to happen is that they're all going to buy compacts, I think.
But we can't drive around in like compacts, can we?
You know,
I mean, we are the Satin Crew. We have to step it up.
So you mean we should do like a proper video series on like rebuilding cars and stuff?
I mean, it would be kind of cool if they all pull up in their compacts.
Yeah.
And then we three pull up in like wide body coupes.
That sounds quite fun.
Like underglow and everything.
Everything.
Quick
Tokyo drift
cages,
stuff.
everything. So
Yes.
full on street legal drift build.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not in the range of 2,000 euros, so.
But do they need to know?
I mean, technically, if we get the part sponsored, we don't spend money on the stuff, so we don't buy it.
That is very smart. That is very, very smart. I think there might be a chance that we can do something like that, yeah? And I think it could be the first challenge, actually. The person who pays the least amount of money gets the first point.
But with a twist. We only have until today evening, until we have to find our car.
Okay, so let's do like that. We got till,
I'll start right now.
We've got till tonight, and tomorrow we need to pick up.
Tomorrow?
Right.
Tomorrow we have to pick up.
Oh my god, okay.
Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Sugar buns. Morning! Alrighty.
Oh my god.
It's been a very long night. Whilst you two were sleeping, I actually organized the cash and main sponsor for this series.
Oh, what is that?
All right, well, first of all, 5K.
Thank you so much.
5K.
Thank you.
5K. Great. So, obviously, you need something to carry your cash in, right?
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
This is where iClip comes in. iClip is probably the best wallet you can actually get. First of all, it's made in Germany. It's packaged beautifully. There's different variants. You can choose over 100 different options. That's meaning
crazy.
That's a lot.
Color, design, material, all that kind of stuff. Really, really, really cool. Yeah, grab one for yourself there. You all take some, whatever you want, Per. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, nice.
So I can keep these. This is actually quite practical because these are the max ones. I can keep way more stuff in there than you.
I'm broke anyways, doesn't matter.
Okay, fair
I'll take a small one.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Ooh, like this one.
Yeah, very nice. Honestly, the options are
nice.
great. And also the feel and quality of them is really, really good. So a huge thank you for iClip following us around for this trip. It's gonna be really cool. There's obviously a link down below for you guys to actually get your own. Price-wise, absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is iClip.
These are mine.
Well, I'm actually gonna take that one, it's a big one. Oh yeah, this one is super cool because with this one you can also keep coins. All right, this one is a max. I got more space in it compared to you guys, so I can carry more cash. Shall we head out?
Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
Oh, my cash.
Oh damn, mine too.
Let's go.
Currently, I'm sitting in the train, heading towards the place where I'm going to pick up the car. I need a coffee. Let's head to Berlin. It's gonna be quite a long one, and I think I might actually sleep a bit. But I'm very excited to pick up the car, and I'm gonna say it's silver. Alrighty guys, we just made it to Berlin, which is very exciting, and I actually don't need to take a cab because sorry, Mr. PPOV is actually gonna pick me up, so that's good news.
Alrighty guys, so I just arrived. So I just got the call, the driver's on the way.
Quick stop in Hannover to get the next train. Now I'm fit, coffee was great, so I'm excited.
Always important to keep in the bath wherever you go. There he is, Mr. PPOV himself, ready to pick me up, and he scratched his rim. Oh well.
Okay, so the driver should be here any second now. I can't tell you how excited I am to pick up this car.
Hey guys, it's official. I did it. I got my car. I'm gonna show you. I'm very excited about this. There she is! My brand new E46. Well, new to me. 320i. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage in the front, which I was aware of because the car got hit on the front. Nothing bad. Literally just cosmetics. You might be asking yourself why I bought the car if there's an issue with it. Well, it's quite simple because all these parts are flying out of the car anyways. It got an engine check light at the minute, but that's okay. And except for that, it's perfect.
Yeah. I'm going to show you the car right now. So, look at the car, man. Oh my god, it's totally red, but okay. The red is I don't know, it's like so bright, the red, but the car looks decent. There are some cosmetic issues right there. I'm going to show you the car from the inside, and I mean, it's clean. It is really clean. I just drove like 5 minutes to the gas station and filled the car up with gas, but it's nice to drive the car. I like it a lot.
Guys, I'm now looking at the car. It looks very, very clean. I'm in love, I have to say. Let me show you. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have got my BMW E46 320i. It had a crash here, but we can just fix that. This is awful, sorry, I have to say. This has to be swapped out ASAP. It looks very nice, I have to say. I love it. Only issue is the door doesn't open from the outside, so I have to open it from the inside. But apart from that, I think everything is fine.
Okay, got a little bit of rust there and there, but that's it. Literally, underside of the car is perfect. Interior is super clean. I even got cruise control, Bluetooth, everything I could ask for. This is it. My E46 320ci. Let's get in the car. Let's try this thing out.
I will do a quick stop at the gas station to pick up some food because I'm hungry, and maybe grab a coffee. Yeah, look at the speed! Speed on girl! 160 kilometers. Yeah, boy.
Look at all of this. It looks so nice. Everything clean, dashboard clean. And now I'm quite excited to go on my first drive. I'm going to install all of this shit and then let's go.
I have another fault message right now, which is actually for the brakes. But again, the car has been stationary for 4 months. It hasn't been moved at all. So I'm sure all the issues which are popping up at the moment are actually going to be gone quite shortly. But we'll find out with that. The engine check light is something I need to keep in mind. But like right now, can't see anything bad. Even got a half a tank of fuel in the car, which is good.
So guys, only 2 hours and 30 minutes to go. The car is still driving great, the weather is still great, everything's great.
On the east side with a bankroll.
Audio check definitely passed in this car. I really like the audio system. So we definitely have to get rid of these mufflers and stuff. So we have to somehow let them fall out by themselves.
When the car is running in neutral, it's kind of vibrating quite strongly. But once it gets going, or once the RPMs are over 1000, it runs perfectly. Yeah, not quite sure what to do with that. My fuel needle, since I started driving in this car, has not moved a millimeter.
Why? This just popped up. I haven't got any power. Oh no, come on. Of all the things that could break, the engine is kind of the worst. It's vibrating. Something is not running smoothly. That is not good.
Okay guys, quick update. Car's running better and better, I really have to say. Only thing is, I think I lost a piece of the car. I was just driving normal, and then I saw a little silver piece flying in my left hand mirror. Not sure if it's from this car.
Okay, let's try starting it up again. Oh, it's gone! Yes! Let's go! That feels good, okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Like 20 minutes of driving just passed by, and now we have a new lamp. The oil lamp just came on. Woo!
I have just seen what I lost, and I'm gonna show you guys. So, I lost my turning signal. It still works, obviously, but the glass of it is gone. And this side is still there, but that side, well, that side said goodbye. So, yeah,
Hi, man.
I see you got a beautiful red,
Yeah, I got a nice
rusty, bad rims having car.
Bro, what are you did there?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't
so the
you?
car was owned by a stunt driver before, and he did professional backflips in the car. That's why it has a dent here, but nothing to
And
worry
also
about.
here and there and
That's
here.
all right.
Nah.
But have you seen your fender? I mean, it's basically
No,
falling
it's
apart.
just, don't
man.
look at that, don't look at that, no.
Oh my god. The car just started without the engine malfunction sign. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is amazing.
It's the older one, but it kind of looks better than yours.
Pre-facelift. I like your lights. They look good. I
They're
have to
so
say.
much better than yours.
But I have a great feature. Look at this.
What?
My
open the
door is an opening from the outside. That means thieves can't break into my car to steal stuff even when it's unlocked.
Okay, update. Engine check light is back on. Greatness. But the traction control is back to normal. It's not lighting up. And the brake pad sensor is also all good to go, which is perfect.
Look at that. Easily you can open the door.
Yeah, you know what? If I was a thief, close the door,
Hey.
I would go like, oh, if there was something of big worth in there, which you don't have, I could just steal it.
We have made it after quite a long drive. Car is doing absolutely perfect. Very excited to get into the cave, catch up with the boys, show them what I got, and yeah, kind of compare the cars.
Oh man, Alex, oh damn.
Whoa, chill out.
Watch out, man.
Good evening, party people.
Oh, have you realized that
Very
you're
good
missing
timing.
half of your car?
Yeah, it's aerodynamics actually.
You've got no blinker. You've got no whatever this thing is called.
Okay, tell me. Which BMW user actually uses an indicator?
I mean, you clearly don't because you're missing
This
it.
is a sublime piece of automotive engineering. Yeah, this thing might have gone flying whilst I was driving on the Autobahn. It's a beautiful car. It's obviously silver, as you can see. We got a few, scars, battle scars.
Battle
Yeah,
scars.
definitely.
Okay.
Getting all those 911s off the Autobahn, you know.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I was really hustling my way back.
The front of your car looks like you have been playing tug of war with a lorry or something.
So the previous owner basically had the issue of a lorry driving into the car.
Oh, wow.
Which is quite practical because that's what happened to me as well on the DBX. So we are a perfect match. But first of all, I need to say, both of you, right?
Yep.
Well, red is simply ugly. That thing has more rust than the Titanic.
No,
This thing right here literally looks like someone took a stapler and stapled your car. Like, what the hell is going on here, mate?
I tell you what happened. You just
Honest-
copied my used look in the front.
I don't want to be rude or anything, but that happened way earlier. I'm pretty sure about that. How many kilometers do you have on your cars, my guys?
I have just over 204,000.
Are you?
Mine too.
196.
Oh, that's a flex.
How many previous owners?
Oh, first hand, I have to say.
Okay.
I have no idea, to be honest.
Okay, I have 2 previous owners. So your car has basically been everywhere, absolutely abused. So many owners that the car doesn't even know where it
I
belongs
call
to.
that experience. It's an experienced car. It's
Yeah.
been through stuff. It knows how to handle stuff.
And you have ugly lights, just saying.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, but first of all, I have to say I'm Team Lewis because we're the silver gang around here, silver arrows. You are a bit like, I don't know, look a bit like a lollipop or
Mine's
something.
like a special one, so
Yeah, just like, you're also very special to us.
Yeah, it's fitting, to
Very
be honest.
it is fitting you serious, man.
They do look quite decent, to be fair. If you look at this one from the front, it's perfect.
Yeah.
If you look at this from the front, it's definitely not perfect. But it's okay.
But so is yours.
Yeah, but you know, we're matching. Maybe my injury is a little bit bigger than the other one, but no one cares about that. No one needs it, right?
But should we skip to the most important part? What have you guys paid for your cars?
Well, actually, I negotiated like a beast. The car was listed for 4,500 euros. I paid 2,250 euros. So I'm 250 euros over the, let's say, original budget from the guys doing the winter trip,
why are
but
you walking away,
obviously we're doing it different. Lewis, what have you paid?
I also negotiated like a pro.
Yeah? So how have
paid-
you treated company money?
Very good.
Ah, okay.
It was online for 5,000. You know what I paid?
No.
2,850 euros.
That's a lot.
that's a big price drop.
That's a lot.
For this shitbox, I have to say,
I have got a facelift
He does have a facelift.
Yeah, but
Well,
it
do you guys
doesn't
have
affect
Bluetooth?
soon.
soon, right? Okay. Cruise control, anyone?
Didn't you mention something about
I can remember he sent us
check
a photo.
engine light?
Yeah.
About your car.
It was,
But Nico, what did you pay?
I paid 2,250 also what you paid. So, clear winners.
Sore loser.
Yeah.
There you are.
Well, I have the best car. I mean, it was worth it.
I'm not sure about that.
I don't know.
But anyways, this is not going to be a battle. It is us as, let's say, the Satin Crew against the other boys, which do not even know there's a challenge. And I know one of the guys has a 316 compact and he wants to put like a rally stripe on it and lift it. So that's going to be super ugly. But the most important question is now, what's happening next? In the next video, we will be showcasing some of the other partners which have joined and the exact game plan. Should be super cool, and if you want to see it and follow along, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and all that good stuff. Can you please stop touching my bulb?
I'm sorry.
You know, my car has feelings too. I think you're lacking some indicator fluid, mate.
Why did I look?